Guys, it's another video and today we are playing Race Track 5. Oh, now this is an online game. These people are actual people, and I'm already on second place. Somehow I'm already on second place. Oh wow, I'm doing good. No, I don't want to go down to space. I'm on 5th. That's okay because there's an 8th place in this one. Avoid. Whee! I'm already in 1st place. Never mind. I'm gonna go. Oh my god! I'm a bit bad at this game because only a few days ago I downloaded, so yeah. This is good when I just downloaded it. First place, I already won. Okay, let's go next round. Ooh, it's a space round. Teleporting? We're teleporting. Whoa! Wow! Another teleporter? Oh my god, wow! What is this? Oh, I'm not gonna touch that. I'm not touching that. I'm already on number 1 place. Do not touch me. Don't touch me. Oh, again? Whoa! I'm on number 1 place. That means people are behind me. Now 2nd, 3rd. How did I get him? Oh my god. Ah, I'm on 6th in the last one. This is so hard. Who puts this in a game? This is so hard. Okay, I'm gone from that at least. Oh, not this. Oh, I thought you were supposed to touch it. Whee! Whee! What's next? Ooh, another one of these. Another one of those. I'm on number 1 place already. Never mind, I won. I won. Next round. Let's go. Ah! The candy canes, I want to eat it. Oh, I can't eat it. Mini lollipops. So this is like a candy round, I guess. I like the space round. You got to go in a portal and it looks so cool. Thank you, whoever bounced that. I'm going. Wow, this round is pretty easy. No, never mind. Oh, that was easy actually. Never mind again. Yeah, this is hard. I like it saved me there. Or helped me actually. Another round. Oh, this game has a lot of rounds. Well, this game just has infinity reds. Wow, a lot of people is playing this game right now. I just see people up, down. I see a lot of people playing. How much people are online right now? I can't check that because I'm in the middle of a race here. I wonder how much people's online right now. Wait. Oh no, I'm gonna be very lost, aren't I? I'm already lost. I'm 6th. There's 6 people in this game, but what about the other servers? There must be a million people playing right now. Well, I mean, this is a... Wow. I can't even... This is impossible! Finally. As soon as I said that's impossible. Really? This is definitely gonna be impossible. At least round. As soon as I say that. Okay. I'm just gonna say it every single time because I know I'm gonna win. Yeah, I'm gonna lose. Yeah, I'm gonna lose for this one. I'm gonna lose. Okay, that one's true. I'm saying I'm gonna lose because every single time I say it, I just win. I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. I'm definitely gonna lose. Yep, I'm definitely losing. I won. Bye guys!